Presiding Officer, my hardest request today is of the general public. I want to be clear, I am not asking anyone to cancel Christmas, but in the run-up to and in the immediate aftermath of Christmas, I am asking everyone to reduce as far as possible and to a minimum the contacts we have with people in other households, and I will say more about Christmas Day in a moment. We are not banning or restricting household mixing in law as before. We understand the negative impact this has on mental health and well-being. But we are asking everyone, and we will issue strong guidance to this effect, to cut down as far as possible the number of people outside our own households that we are interacting with just now. This will help break transmission chains. So my key request today is this: before and immediately after Christmas, please minimise your social mixing with other households as much as you can. However, if you do plan on socialising, either at home or in indoor public places, we are asking that you limit the number of households represented in your group to a maximum of 3 and make sure you test before you go. I know this is a tough thing to ask people to do, especially at this time of year. So I want to be clear why we are making this request. One of the things we have already learned about Omicron is that it has a very high attack rate. This means that if just one person in a gathering is infectious, that person is likely to infect many more people in the group than is the case with the Delta variant. So by reducing the numbers of people in households gathering together, we help limit the extent of its spread. Turning to Christmas Day specifically, or Christmas Eve or Boxing Day, or whenever you have your main family celebration, we are not asking you to cancel or change your plans, and we are not proposing limits on the size of household gatherings. Places of worship will also remain open with appropriate mitigations. But we will issue guidance to help you make Christmas safer. Reducing your contacts in advance of and after Christmas, as I have just strongly advised, will help do this.